Water. It's one of Kansas City's most valuable resources. It brought settlers here. Since then, we've become one of the Midwest's great river cities. Water enhances our quality of life, and yet we can have too much water. Too much water can cause floods, property damage, loss of life. It can also impact our sewer system. Kansas City has an extensive system of sewer pipes that has been built over the past 2 centuries, but most people don't spend much time thinking about them. The sewer system is usually out of sight and out of mind, especially on dry days. During heavy rain, wastewater can overflow and sewers may back up in residential basements. These are problems that impact the quality of life for our whole community. When discussing issues with the sewer system, it is helpful to know 2 terms, wastewater and stormwater. Wastewater is the used water from our sinks, washing machine, dishwasher, and yes, our toilets. Stormwater is rainwater or snowmelt. Now back to the problems. What are sewer backups and overflows, and how do they impact Kansas City? Some sewer backups and wastewater overflows are caused by water that doesn't belong in the sanitary sewer system. Sanitary sewers are located underground and carry wastewater. During wet weather, stormwater or groundwater gets into the pipes that are designed to carry wastewater. When this happens, the mix of wastewater, stormwater, and groundwater has to go somewhere. Unfortunately, the excess flow can force open manholes in the streets, cause water to overflow into nearby streams, and even back up into citizens' basements, making it a public health and safety issue as well as an environmental issue that impacts all Kansas Cityans. A sewer system gets no respect. But if cities fail to invest in the long-term modernization of their sewer systems, they risk sewer backups, collapsed sewers, higher sewer rates, and possible public health issues. To better understand how the system works, hold your nose. We're going to dive deep and determine the problems facing our city's sewers. We'll start with a description of how the sewer system works. Wastewater is collected by an extensive system of pipes and transported to a treatment plant where it is treated and discharged to a river or stream. Kansas City is one of over 700 cities across the country with 2 types of sanitary sewer systems to collect and transport wastewater: combined systems and separate systems. In the older parts of Kansas City, the same pipe that carries wastewater also collects rainwater runoff. This is called a combined sewer system. The practice of combining the storm drainage and wastewater system was common practice across the country from the early 1900s to the 1970s. Combined sewers were built in most industrialized communities during that time because it was economical and efficient to use one pipe. One advantage of the combined sewer system is that most of the time when rainfall is low to moderate, both the stormwater and wastewater go to the treatment plant before being discharged into streams and rivers. The disadvantage is that during heavy rains, wastewater combined with stormwater may exceed the capacity of the pipes. Excess flow may then be discharged into streams and rivers without receiving treatment at the treatment plant. Combined sewers are designed to overflow during heavy rainfall events when too much water enters the sewer system. These overflows are called combined sewer overflows, or CSOs. The city has several different types of diversion structures to reroute the excess flow. During dry weather, wastewater is held in the sewer pipe and routed to a treatment plant. If it is raining, sewer pipes also carry stormwater to the diversion structure. When the structure fills up and overflows, a pipe carries this overflow to a stream or river while the rest of the flow still goes to the treatment plant. In newer parts of Kansas City, one pipe system carries wastewater while another separate pipe system carries stormwater. This is called a separate sewer system. In a separate system, wastewater travels through an extensive collection system in our yards and under our streets to pump stations located throughout the city and then onto a wastewater treatment plant. Stormwater travels through a separate system of pipes directly to a stream or river. Separate sewer systems are not designed to overflow like the combined sewer system. However, like most cities across the country, Kansas City's separate sewers sometimes fill with too much stormwater or groundwater. The stormwater or groundwater entering the sanitary sewer is called infiltration and inflow, or I&I. Too much water in the pipes can result in basement backups and sanitary sewer overflows, or SSOs. Inflow is stormwater that directly enters the separate sanitary sewer system, commonly through such things as sump pumps, area drains, and downspouts. Stormwater should never flow into a sanitary system designed to carry only wastewater. Infiltration is groundwater that gets into the sewer system through open joints or cracks and breaks in the pipe. Many collection system pipes and household sewer lines have reached or exceeded their expected life. A deteriorated sewage collection system can become overloaded with stormwater before reaching the treatment facility. Wet weather, in the form of heavy rains, magnifies this problem. Now that we have an understanding of how the sewer system works and how the problems occur, let's look at our specific situation in Kansas City. Kansas City has more than 2,600 miles of sewer pipes. That's enough pipe to reach from here to New York City and back again. Some of the city's sanitary sewer system was built before the Civil War and is still in use. While overflows and sewer backups are not unique to Kansas City, the problem seems large, expensive, and nearly overwhelming to fix. However, we can take steps to improve the situation if we work together. Kansas City's teams of dedicated maintenance crews maintain the system. The city has invested millions of dollars to rehabilitate and repair sewers. That work is ongoing. Like a roof that has been patched in various places but not replaced for over 100 years, our sewer system has sprung more leaks than we can patch a little bit at a time. In order to stay on top of required repairs, money must be allotted every year to improve and maintain the aging system. The Wet Weather Solutions Program, formulated in 2003, is Kansas City's initiative to help reduce overflows, basement backups, and flood damage while improving water quality. While the city is making a substantial investment in improving the public systems, you can help by making improvements to the portion of the system located on your property. Whether you live in the separate or combined sewer areas, you can inspect your homes and businesses to see if the downspout, outdoor patio, deck, yard drains, or sump pumps are connected to the sanitary sewer system. You also should consider using rain barrels and rain gardens to reduce stormwater runoff. A rain barrel is a container that stores rainwater from roofs for future use watering lawns and gardens. A rain garden is a shallow depression in your yard that is planted with native vegetation. It can be used to receive rainwater from your gutters and serve as an amenity for your home. You should also check your house laterals, the pipe that drains discarded water from the home's plumbing fixtures, because the pipe can become deteriorated or clogged with roots. You may want to consider installing a backwater valve. Backwater valves, when working properly, prevent the sewer from backing up inside buildings. Meanwhile, Kansas City is building projects and developing long-range plans for addressing overflows. Water. It's Kansas City's past, present, and future. Help Kansas City protect your home, your health, and the environment. Working together, we can reduce overflows and improve the quality of our streams and rivers for future generations. Water. The future is clear.